If you are in need of a government land surveyor in Chennai, look no further than Scon Design India Private Limited. As a leading provider of land surveying services, Scon Design has established a reputation for delivering accurate and reliable results. With their team of experienced and qualified surveyors, they are well equipped to handle any land surveying project in Chennai and its surrounding areas. As a government land surveyor, Scon Design understands the importance of accurate measurements and precise boundaries. Their team utilizes advanced surveying equipment and techniques to ensure that their clients receive the most accurate and up-to-date information about their land. Whether you require a boundary survey, topographic survey, or construction survey, Scon Design has the expertise to meet your needs. One of the key advantages of choosing Scon Design as your government land surveyor in Chennai is their commitment to quality and customer satisfaction. They understand that each project is unique and requires personalized attention. Their team works closely with clients to understand their specific requirements and tailor their services accordingly. This ensures that the end result meets or exceeds the client's expectations. In addition to their expertise in land surveying, Scon Design also offers a wide range of other services related to land development and construction. This includes architectural design, planning and permitting, project management, and more. By offering a comprehensive suite of services, they are able to streamline the entire land development process for their clients. Furthermore, Scon Design takes pride in staying up to date with the latest advancements in technology and industry practices. They constantly invest in training their staff on new tools and techniques to ensure that they are able to deliver the highest quality results. This commitment to ongoing improvement sets them apart from other government land surveyors in Chennai. If you are looking for a government land surveyor in Chennai, look no further than Scon Design India Private Limited. With their expertise in land surveying and extensive knowledge of the Chennai area, Scon Design is the go-to company for all your surveying needs. Whether you need a survey for a residential or commercial property, Scon Design has the experience and skills to provide accurate and reliable results. Their team of qualified surveyors uses the latest technology and equipment to ensure precise measurements and detailed reports. By choosing Scon Design as your government land surveyor in Chennai, you can trust that your project will be handled with professionalism and efficiency. Scon Design India Private Ltd is a reputable company that has been providing land surveying services in Chennai for many years. They have built a strong reputation for their high-quality work and commitment to customer satisfaction. As a government land surveyor, Scon Design understands the importance of adhering to strict regulations and guidelines set by the government. They are well versed in the legal requirements and procedures involved in land surveying, ensuring that their surveys are accurate and compliant with all relevant laws. One of the key advantages of choosing Scon Design as your government